Okay. I don't know how that worked. I thought I was already live because but I had to click on a button on the top right to start the stream. And hello guys, yeah, now I can see the messages. Hello. So already bragging about me having... Oh well. Always, doesn't matter. Let's add everyone. Today we have a few things to do. One of which is, I think you can already see it, there was an update. Minecraft update. And this time it didn't actually broke anything, but rather gave us new options. And we'll be looking into it. Run. Now live. So that's a good question. I think we're gonna finish the accessory system. And yeah, that's about it. Nah, actually, we'll have a lot of time, that's for sure. Anyways, new stuff. Increased dynamic property registration limits. Oh, by the way, we should definitely download this. Like, holy shit, like, I did not plan on... Oh, what's that? Normal Minecraft also has an update. Okay, that is a bit scary, but should be fine. Alright, as long as I update it, we're gonna go through the patch notes. So, dynamic properties can now optionally have default values. That is good. Like, it's like... yeah, a default value, so we don't have to do the fallback anymore that we held up in the prototypes. Now we can see, right, the defaults, we don't have to do this. On new API changes, yep. So, yeah. More dynamic properties, that is huge, by the way. 128x and then again 100x. That is huge. Okay, clear title is not a thing anymore. They renamed some functions. Set title to reset times per each new title. I don't know, does this fix like a bug? I don't know. Add raw message support for set title, update title, and... yeah, okay, so now you can display raw text to like translate stuff, I don't know. Entity edition is gliding, is jumping, is flying. This is crazy, by the way. Well, all of those are read-only, which is weird, but... is printing, huge, oh, black verse. Is swimming, is climbing, is on ground, is in water, is falling, and the fall distance? Wait, we can use that for a project. Like, remember when I said that we cannot use, or we are not allowed to have fall damage because it would kill the player? Now we can have fall damage because of the fall distance. And hello, Ennis. Welcome to the stream. I think you guys have already seen the patch notes, but I'm just going through them just in detail. Hello. So yeah, fall distance, we can use that to calculate the fall damage for SKYLANDIA. Then, oh, okay, so fly, we can make the player fly just like that, I guess. Then stop flying, you can make the player stop flying. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, it would have been better if this is just a property that you can set it to false or true. Channel member. Let me check. We are still far away, but... guys, we need 2,400 more hours of watch time and a few more subs. and then you guys can become members. And I will probably upload member exclusive content. What project is coming after this? Well, this project will last a while, but you guys will be able to vote for which project next one's gonna be. Nice. Add function glide, stop glide. Again, those should be properties with like, yeah, this shouldn't be functions. This shouldn't this should just be properties. They can set to true or false. I think having functions for that is kind of pointless. Again, also for this. This is kind of weird, but that's fine. Entity additions, updated function add effect. Oh wait. Void to return void. The throw if the effect does not exist. Okay, now it actually throws. Oh, and now it actually throws when the effect type is. Okay, and you can also pass in a string now. Create a mod like add-on with script. I don't know what it means. And Pablo! Hello! Can we nachher please when we see? Sure. Please make tutorials, we are not live stream. Bro, it's not like I'm making this live streams for for you to follow, you know. I'm making this live streams because I myself am working on a project. I will continue to upload videos, of course. It's just that I want to stream how I create things. And you guys can maybe learn from it. My intention is not that you guys learn from my streams, right? You guys can learn from my videos. Just for me, that you guys can watch the progress that I do on stream. Block break events. I don't care. Function clone, please use function get item. Okay. Oh, this is before the container slot. Okay, okay. That makes sense. How you learned? Just by trial and error. Okay, see this? Instead of cloning a container slot, you just get the item, because every time you get the item, you obtain a copy anyways. Move filters, filter group, never used it. It's a healable component. Yeah, no one used the healable component. Actually, attribute effects, effect min, effect value. Yeah, that's doesn't really matter. And the health changed after wind is triggered when any health change is applied for an entity. Okay, so even if an entity heals, like just a hurt event, right? That only triggers when an entity is hurt. But you can actually use this event to see if, yeah, the health changed, as in health increase or something like that. Camera. Fade color to take integer bills. Oh yeah, there's a camera command. I don't know if you will be using that, but I don't know. Oh yes, my Minecraft is done. Open. So there's another problem, and that is that we would have to update the server, but because I don't want to leak anything, I am not gonna update the stream, the server on stream. I don't think I can just join it like that. Or maybe I can. Why is it taking so long? Yeah, no. We cannot join the server. Or maybe the server's down. But there's no way the server's down. There's no way. No way. What? I'm not gonna log in on stream. Oh! Okay. So the manifest updated again, guys. You see? The manifest updated again. Okay, so it will be common that in every update you'll just have to update the manifest. There's... Oh yeah, you guys can see what I was trying to do. Doesn't really matter. All of them don't work. Cannot be probably too fixed of undefined. Okay. New update, I guess. New update, I guess. Anything else works though. It's just a health display and sometimes there's not a function error. Let's try to actually editor. Update health. So I changed something. We also need to get the new types. No. There. Their versions. Yep, they already have it. Already 64 downloads. You guys are fast, I must say. Anyways, let's install the new types and see what those errors are. Health display 28. This is just because of the update, right? This is not. Where's the runtime? Runtime, health, a display, and a health display. 28. So I think it has to do with the carry property toFix of undefined. Component.current does not exist. What? Sorry guys. Sorry. It's now current value. Oh. My bad. My those changes. Yeah, and then this one. Health the current value. Health.current value. Alright. Regular watch. / reload. The update health one is still broken. And it's saying another function, update health, play health 12. Play health 12. Set current. Nah, they gotta be trolling. They gotta be trolling. Set current value. Oh no. Oh no. How can I update Minecraft preview? You can literally just find it in the store. And if you can't find it in the store, go into like the Minecraft launcher. I have two streams open. Okay, but they're both the same. Oh yeah, exams were. They felt great, except in German I had a headache, but because I don't know, I often get headaches just randomly for no reason. Migraine, but quite good. They felt good. Alright. So, since every error should be gone now. Yeah. Okay, let's try to test out every feature to see if anything broke. Okay, so the Mannering works, the Rift Maker. Let's get an entity, no, chicken. Maybe they changed something. Yeah, thought so. PA cycle looks goofy. Well, you cannot really put that much detail in such a small space. Looks fine for me. And you also need to match the color theme, you know. So I think it's fine. Nice, alright guys, what should be? Not health.value, sondern health.max value. And thanks for the points, Microsoft. 150. Guess we're getting closer. What should be? Also, I need someone online who also has updated version to see if you guys can see the player health. What should be not value, but rather max? Default value or nah, but like that. Is that it? They cannot be serious. Like default value? Really? Yeah. This one doesn't have anything, this one doesn't have anything either. Do I still have something that uses the health? Uh-huh. Guys, I need someone who can join my world. Let's see if anything. I one-shot all those. Right, that works. That also works. Great. Also, update talisman effects, which will update stats. I did some changes, but after thinking for a very long time, I decided to change something. Player.skyl.update stats, and inside the talisman handler. See, this is getting called every tick. Let's only call this every second. We update the items every second. Oh, someone's online. Who is that? CT Abdul. Yes, okay. There it is. CT Abdul, 100 of 100. Does my name look fine? Hand is weird. Why's your hand weird? Yes? Okay, good. Good. Okay, so, and that should be fine. We could try out crops. Breaking crops. Bone meal. Farmland. Seed. Hey, they like to change that stuff. Okay, nope, that works. Okay, good. Right, so... Ooh, that is bad. That's some bad delay. Look, Discord. Oh, what the hell? I don't know why that happens, but it's not because of me or the pack. Or maybe update every 10 ticks. Oh, sorry. Meant to reload. You guys see the delay, right? I think it's because of the yeah. Yeah, I mean, no matter what I do, the relay will stay the same because the display is actually the thing that is what? Okay, then why does update so weird? There were so many times, even in vanilla, stable in Xbox. If you say so. Blocked. No, this is because of something else. Why is the display being delayed by like a second? There it is. Yeah, but like this is updating the health. Like this is. Set current value. Okay, good. That's good. Why is it? Why is the display updating? I think I know why. It's because of the mana. This is because of the mana regeneration. Mana? Mana jazz. Yes. This one. Because this one will only update the mana every second. So I have an idea to fix it, but it's very lazy. Update stats. Do we even use update stats anywhere? I think we do. Mana. Current mana plus equal to 0. It doesn't appear instantly though, what? Now I'm confused. Is this not updating every tick? I mean, it's updating in the proper speed as it should. You see there's no overlap. Oh, that was so good. There is no overlap. As long as there's no overlap, overlap, then fine, yeah. Okay, I don't know how that should fix anything, but sure. Alright. Now the talismans. Oh yeah, it's only updating every 20 ticks, which is fine. I think we can let us be at 20 ticks. So we have this update item function, right? We need to have some kind of map that will take the stats, components, stats, and we'll map those stats enter value to like what it is, you know, or like the name. For example, const name map is equal to thing, and we can literally just do where do we want to do this? Like here, yeah. Let str and then object dot entries. I'm using object dot entries a lot, by the way. A lot. Which is not bad. It just to be is like that. Yeah, and then key value, and then we get the key. Const key. No, const name is equal to name map key plus this plus value. For example, that, and then we just str plus equal. No, thanks. What? Equal plus? No. No! Struggling, guys, struggling. Suffering from success. Okay, name map key. Now we have to provide map for stats. So yeah, those are the stats. Plus the damage options. I know it will say it's an error, but I'm only doing this because I'm lazy. Okay? I'm only doing this because I am lazy. Alright, then we don't need all of those. Boop, and then we do not need all of those, but rather those. Boop. Boop, boop. Oh, we don't need this. Alright, and then max health. Max. Oh. Max health. Max mana. Max mana. Health region. Health region. Defense. Magic defense. Magic defense. Damage. Magic damage. True damage. Alright, and then max health will be like C, max mana will be blue, health region will be, oh no, we can leave it also C, defense will be 2, magic defense will also be blue, damage will be C, magic damage will be blue, true damage will be white. We have the string, and then we set the lore to... What does this do? Oh, this is like the lore. Okay, got it. String plus a backslash in, and just do str plus this, that, boop. Let's do it like that. Alright, let's do it like this actually. Max mana plus 50. No, what the fuck? What the hell? I killed him for XP. Right. Alright, we got this system done. So... color is any? Okay. Can be any, don't care. Okay guys, the house is very smelly. Because sniffer and sniff sniff. Or what? Okay guys, I think, can you clear the rain please? Sure. Okay guys, I think I'll let you guys vote on what we should do next, okay? So I have one thing in particular in mind, and that would be the enchantment system, right? Either custom enchantments, or what else could we do, guys? Or armor, or an armor system. I'm gonna start the vote. I'm gonna start the vote in my Discord server. Add here. Oh no. Wait, just... no. Add here. Vote now. What should I do next? Oops. Hi Steam. Oh, hi. What now? What should I do next? Oh, actually, I could just abandon instead of this. Custom enchantments for weapons or custom armor. Play Fortnite. Oh, there used to be a time where I actually played Fortnite. Boys, you guys can vote now. Okay. That is pretty interesting. What the hell? With effects. Let me say it like that. Okay, I think it's pretty straightforward. Why would you use a super sticker? Why would anyone use a... no! No, just stop using your super stickers. Stickers? Super stickers. What? Why? Okay, I guess I will doing we were doing custom enchantments for weapons. That bot doesn't work anymore. It's all my bad. Alright, custom enchantments for weapons. It will be interesting because we're gonna have multiple enchantments, right? So we need to do... This is complicated, holy shit. Whatever guys, let me into. Anyways. Let me see how the lore is being handled in the weapon thing. Weapon. This is the testament in the weapon. Handler. Alright, so where's the lore being set? Yeah, this. So bro, Custom armor is too easy. Stream would be stream would end in yeah, but like with effects, you know, that it gives more damage or just effects, you know. Okay, so format damage. Oh yeah, that is yeah, that is doing basically the same thing that we did above, no? With like just now with. Well, I guess that's right. So the second entry would always be a placeholder for enchantments. No? As you see, the first one would be the stats, right? And then instantly the lore, right? So right here in between, right? This entry must be a enchantment. Would be cool to see a rarity and stat system. True. Dude. Oh no, it leveled me up. Alright. So, I have a little thing though with this. Because they made it so if it's undefined, it will clear the lore. So I wonder, if this is undefined, will it clear the lore? It crashed my game! Mojang! As well as my PC, it seems. I literally cannot use Windows search to start Minecraft. Oh, okay, it's doing something. Task manager. Yeah, I think the task manager will help me with this. Oh, it's back to normal. Could be just a one-time thing. What? NSF. What the hell? You're right. Maybe it could have been just a one-time thing. Right? Right? Nope, it crashed again. Preview. I hope last time I did crash testing, my stream crashed. So I know, no more crashing. Where do I report bugs? Because if I set lore for an item where one element in the lore item in the lore array is undefined, it crashes the game. There you go. The world may be dead. The world is not dead. I can ensure you guys that the world is not dead. See? Just at those. Maybe my location got set back and there's like an enchanted book with protection. But other than that, Bye. But other than that, yeah. Right, but I still have a plan B. We need a color code that is not a color code. For example, no, B, no, N, no, M, no, L, nope. Could use one of those. W. We can use W. So what we could do is just a W, right? Just W. And now I should load. Alright, now you see this very large gap, right? And let's try to kind of string dot slice. Can just do -1, -2. Is that a thing? That is indeed not a thing. String dot length -2. Yo, hi, I'm new. Hello, and welcome to the stream. That is indeed not doing what it's supposed to do. I just wanna get the last \n gone. Just wanna. Yeah, we need to somehow get the last \n gone. Well, what string method is there that we can use to do that? Yeah, I know that there's split. I know there's substring. I mean start 0 string dot length -2 maybe. Use index 0 and substring maybe. Ah, substring worked. I tried using index -2. It didn't work. Substring did. Alright, now it looks normal, and we have this weird thing that we can bloat with custom enchantments now. Alright, let's create a folder called custom enchantments. Custom enchantments. Right. Index.js. Import index. Alright. Close saved. Hi. Hello. Now we need to actually write some code. So we kind of need to figure out how we want to do this. We either. So I have two things in mind. One thing we have to remember is that we have multiple weapon types. You know how there's ranged weapons, melee weapons. So for each weapon type, we have to return the specific enchantment slot. So what I would do, we already have something that indicates what weapon is which. For example, let's look at the Riftmaker. We have a type weapon, right? And we can use this. What was this? A weapon type. Where can I find the weapon type? What is a weapon type? What is a weapon type? Weapon type. I wouldn't call this weapon type and put it in the global. I would say it's like a item type. There's already a thing called item types in the item type slot. Maybe that. Item type slot, okay, and that could also be like a talisman. Alright, and then inside a weapon export, we do not use the weapon export type, but rather, not already the weapon type, we rather use the item type slot. And for our talisman system, we also have to use our item type slot. And even though it does nothing right now, we'll add it. Type. That's a talisman, please. I think. Oh no. What is this, man? Oh well. Bye bye. Dude, why is Sniffer so detailed? Like, they have so much detail. It's crazy. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so, I lost the track. Alright, so custom enchantments order. Your damage indicator is a custom entity, right? Yep. Yep. There, custom enchantments. Class. Enchantments. Right? Then we have a static get available enchantments. Enchantments. Get enchantment. I'm gonna enchant. What? Enchants like that, and then it didn't auto generate because item type would be an item slot type slot. There we go. So now we can use a switch case for that. Just switch item type, and then case weapon range blah blah blah. We'll do anything and then break. Like that, I don't know. So now we need to actually return the enchantments, right? How do we wanna do the enchantments? Do we make another class that has a constructor that alright, let's do another class. Class enchantment. Just enchantment, not enchantments, right? We have a constructor. And inside the constructor we take in a weapon type. Also, I just realized I do not want to do it with a switch case. Const item type map is equal to a new map, and then we return item type map dot get item type. Alright, enchantment. We need the item type, and preferably a Callback. Callback. I don't know, we could also like do max level. Sure, max level. Max level. Do we type that? Item type is whatever this shit is. The max level number. Callback. We're gonna be doing the callback later. Okay. So, exactly. So we item map dot set item type map dot get item type, and we'll spread this around in the array, as well as add this. I think that works. You can't spread undefined, right? Like if I do spread undefined and test. Undefined is not iterable. Map. Let's try it with a real use case. Const map equal to new map. Let's try to get a key that doesn't exist. Map.get test. What the hell? This doesn't want to spread or what? I think it's because this one has to be around parentheses. Nope, it doesn't like that. It just doesn't like when you try to spread. I mean, you could do const val is equal to that, but then we'll get the undefined error, or not the undefined, but the not iterable error. What is that? This parameter must be last form parameter. Semicolon? Yeah, exactly. That's why you always need semicolons, by the way. You wonder why? Because... oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah, okay. It tried to get the index of that, like this. You know? Which is obviously not possible. Alright, so we cannot do this. So how would we add something to the array? We could do it the lame way. I think we have to do it the lame way. Pref is equal to item type map dot get item type, else an array, pref dot push this. This will be complicated. Because push. No, it's. Did my music stop? It did. Alright, and then what we could also do is just untype map dot set prev. We can this dot max level is equal to max level, as well as this dot callback. Also, if we execute those in the beforehand, I think it's better. right? So we have this now. And so our callback is, for example, let's do this, right? Const enchant new enchant, and then item type, for example, a new range enchantment where the max level is 5. We need a name or something. Instead of the max level, let's do an interface like, and call it am I writing this all in the index, by the way? Or we can enchants.d.ts interface enchantment options. Well, in this case we could make the item type also an enchantment option, no? Item slot type. We don't need this, by the way. Then max level is number. Name is a string. A certain point it just, I don't know, guys. Meme options enchantment options. Then we this dot options are equal to options. Oh, it's the next project. I mean the next project. I'm doing custom enchantments right now. But like very customizable because yeah. And if you mean what next project after SKYLANDIA, I answered the question in beforehand and I told you that you guys will be able to choose which project I will be doing next. Options dot item type. Yeah, this one. Alright. So yeah, instead of doing this, oh, I also have well, no problem. Item type, for example, would be talisman. Actually, I wanna do weapon enchantments first. Like for example, weapon where the max level is like 5, where the name is like, oh no, lifesteal. Lifesteal. And we gonna have a callback. Interface. How do we call it? Enchant event? Then that will return a player, which is a player, as well as wait. I would not say it's a player, I would say it's a holder. Am I really gonna talisman enchantments. Wait, did I really want to account for talisman enchantment? Nah, bro. Okay, holder and then target. It's either an entity or undefined. Unique? What? Alright, like that. And then enchantment event. A function. Let's wrap it around in here. Which will return a void. Maybe a talisman efficiency so they get a buff. I guess I could do that. Or just add reforges to talismans. Yeah, about reforges, we'll see. We'll see. Because reforges itself are great. We have a little problem with them. And that is because they make our weapon look ugly. When there's no reforge applied. I mean, we even struggle to do the thing for the enchantments, make space for the enchantments. How would you guys imagine that for reforges, you know? Alright, anyways. So we have this enchantment, and we have the callback arcs, right? We have the holder and the target, and then we can just do holder dot send message test, for example. That would be our very first enchantment. Reforge an item in brackets. Yeah, I wanted to store in the item name, but that was actually my idea, but yeah, so we have the enchantment or what now? Yeah, then we get the enchantment type. And we need to kinda apply the enchantment, right? Oh, is that it? Oh no, I feel like I'm missing something. We could do something when the enchantment is being applied. But no, we kinda need a enchantment parser right now. Let's make an enchantment parser. Enchantments static parse, and then this will have an item stack. I'm stupid. Item. Oh, and then this will item stack, right? So we now need to, well, parse the enchantments. I think adding enchantments for talismans would be too heavy for the performance. Can you make knockback 10? Yes, but why would I do knockback 10? But yeah, you can. There's literally a function on the player called apply knockback. So yes, you can make knockback 10. Okay. Item.get lore. I mean, theoretically it's the first, right? I don't really know how I want to parse it. I think applying it would be the smarter option. Yeah, doing the applying would be definitely the smarter option. So, okay, we have an enchantment. What now? Are we just gonna create a enchantments map? Like an enumeration? Oh, hi. Export cons enchantment list is equal to this, where we say that, for example, lifesteal is this, okay? Is equal to a new enchantment. Sure. And static add enchantment. If we use the short one, we should keep retain the short one. Enchant. And we also need the item stack for that, as well as the enchantment to add. Item and enchantment, which will be a add param package. What? Param, which would be a key of enchantment list. Enchantment list there. So, and then a key of enchantment list. Is it allowed to join your world? Yes, it just does nothing if you join my world. I'm planning, and I also don't think that. I'm actually still on the world, but yeah, you can do nothing there. And the very first test versions of the server will be released soon if we continue being productive. So yeah, and then we'll grab the cons enchant. Enchantment list. Enchantment. I don't want to grieve. There is nothing to grieve, bro. This map is empty. We need to export it, by the way. We have our enchantment. We need a function in our enchantment actually to run the callback. Oh yeah, we need to... Oh no. Building a dirt house. Sure, man. That makes you happy. Oh no! We need a way of running the enchantment. Now we just have a function, right? When do we run the enchantment? This is stupid. We could make a new property that fires on a certain event, but I think it would be better if it would be the very first argument, like if this argument would be event, the event. Right. Event. We have the type event. For example, tick. Event. And we can literally guys, this is getting fucking hard, okay? But I think I know an option. But that option is really expensive on the performance. But first of all, we need to create our power source. So we have the item, we'll get the enchantment. I'm not get lore. Huh. I just realized. How do I call the talisman map? Talisman, where are my talismans? It's literally called we don't export it, do we? Shit, where is it? Oh wait, we're right. Oh no, I do! Is that a texture I made for? I'll take a look at it. In a second. Ooh, fancy. Wait, I wonder. Wait, hold up. I want to view it in. Oh well, I can't. We're just gonna say. I'm gonna save it to the desktop, just because we don't have a custom item for the mana ring yet. But we will soon. Okay. Else undefined, I guess. We don't need an else undefined. And then if not is valid. Is there anything else that needs a texture? I mean... What happened with the pack? It froze. What is this? Oh my god. And the prototypes 21. Current health. What? And I just... Yeah, I wanted to show you, but then I guess my script just started to freak out because of placebo. Why is it freaking out that my dynamic properties do not exist? Oh. That's why. Enchantments is not initialized. Oh, yeah. Oops. Like that. Right. Exactly. The armor icon. I think that that would need a retexture. It's literally an XP orb that was stretched. I wish that was a joke. I think I still want to keep it green though. But texture-wise, it needs a. I think it needs a redone. Alright. So if not is valid, then return, and then we'll grab the enchantment that the player has specified and get the lore of the item. What's the armor name? The armor name? That's not armor, it's just defense. What do you mean? Item dot get lore. That is indeed complicated. The thing is, oh, you mean the icon? Yes, yes, for textures. So yeah. We now need to split up the lore. So first of all, we clean the lore. Which basically just means we get the lore, the first segment, because it's the second thing. We want to be 6 by 16 to be the exact size as the font. Well, just so it fits in the action bar. I think it's 8 by 8, no? Or I don't know, it might be 16. It might be 16 by 16. Actually, it is 16 by 16, I think. Okay, so lower. Then we split at W. Return the first one. We split at \n. The pickaxe is 16 by 16. Okay. So now we have an array of the enchantment plus its level. Now I really want to convert it into a JSON object. If that's possible. What we could do is using opening and closing tags. For each enchantment. So yeah, we'll set a limit to 2. To 2. Then we split again. So main color should be green, right? Yep. So the clean lore is just the name of level. That even exists, and we split it \n. Then we have the name of level, and now we need to take that name of level and then split into map every entry into x, or we split x at W until and return the first element, and then we split again at W. Oh, we split again at W, but return the 0th element. And then for that we should use reduce, but I have no idea how reduce works. Const ob, that's why we're gonna use const object. Name is equal to this, where we split. Limit is 2. Limit is 2. And then we'll x dot can we like split from we're just gonna take W with the name in between. Right, return the first element. Then we trim and take the number of it. Oh my god. We take the number of it. Then we do object name is equal to level. What the actual fuck? And then we need to add the enchantment to the object with the new level. Object enchant dot name. Oh no, it's actually the enchantment. Oh no, we use the name. Name set equal to level and then we need to parse it again and set the lore to it. Object.entries of object.for each. We actually use map. One question, do you play Valorant? No. I'm a League of Legends type of guy. And we x 01? What? Okay. Oh, because we need to solve for key value. Oops. My brain isn't burning. You ever tried? Yep. I was even in like the closed beta, or like the beta where you had like we had to have those keys, those key drops. Yeah, I was there. I was there at that point. And then what we'll do is we return a string of 5w key w value \n. Then we lore item set lore const new lore equal to lore. No, we can just lore 1 is equal to parsed I hate this. We dot join. We can leave this out and then just join \n. Set lore to lore. What the fuck? What am I doing? Player. Did I do a player.skull.main hand? Yep. Beautiful. Item. What? That is the wrong enchantment list. It's predicting. Yeah, it's no, not the import. Sadly. 5 steel, there we go. Level 2. Can't use entity it weak. I don't know, chat send. Then sender. Okay, let's see if it works. Bet you it won't. That was obvious that that happens, by the way. Why? Because I forgot to add a lot of question marks. Was it? Okay, no, but I don't understand. What is it trying to map? Why is name with level? Name with level? Should be empty. It is empty, no? Guys, I think it's an auto reload angle. Oh my god, leaked IP. I cannot use the WebSocket server fucking regolith. Okay, that would be funny. Does that work? I just type anything. Yeah, it says name of level, but it... What is it trying to map over? I don't get it. You see, if I do reload, right? Type something in chat. The message doesn't appear. Why? Because the array is empty. Well, if I do dot length, then it will say 0. It should say 0. 1? What? I know. Hello? Oh, it's doing the wrong shit. Oops. One 9144. It's not supposed to be mode. It's not supposed to be connected. To be listen. I think. Yep. There you go. Script debugger connect host 19144. The debugger was so useful, but it's fucking stupid, man. It just doesn't work. Dude, I would love to use it, it's just that it doesn't work for me. I don't know what I've done, but it just doesn't work anymore for me. You guys can see it, right? I know it will lag for a bit, but I get the idea. It's so stupid. Why? It just completely stopped working. Sounds like this, yeah, experimental. Man. Why? Send your texture. Well, I'll save it on my desktop. Then I'll take a closer look to it after I'm complete with this shit. Because I really don't know. If it doesn't look good, I'll try to make a better one. Just tell me. Well, right now I'm being frustrated with this shit. Because neither is the debugger working, so I do not know whatever the heck is in that array. Neither do I know the stringify. Let's have the weapon. It's an empty string. It's just an empty string. That makes sense. Dot filter x x. Oh, didn't learn how to set up a debugger. He's a pretty popular YouTuber. Oh, thanks. Null? Oh, Phil. Oops. Filter. What? It's just filter with one. Yeah, okay. Okay, now it doesn't map over anything. That is good. But I mean, even that is wrong. That shouldn't be also the case, because at least the thing doesn't error out anymore. Now we can set a console one elsewhere. Object. Object. Okay, at least we know it's an object. Undefined. Where does it think this enchantment is? Oh, options. Dot name. You guys don't need to be a genius to tell that this is not true. If I just log this, should have logged 2 times. Same thing. It only logs 1 time. So what does that mean? I have no idea what that means. Oh. We just messed up the constructor, didn't we? Oops. Well, whoop. And because it's not actually setting the law for the item, is because wrong file. We have a function down here which gives us the main hand, but we'll just get slot instead. That should do the trick. I hope that it doesn't break anything. It instantly got removed. You wonder why? I tell you why. Because the weapon lore thing is instantly overwriting it. Not this handler. Where's the system? This. Const lore is equal to item dot. Why aren't my prototypes not loading? Item dot get lore. If it's bigger or equal 0, we just continue. We just continue. Now please don't look weird. Lifesteal 2! Wow! Can't believe that actually worked. Somewhat. Color is off, obviously, but... Handler? No, not handler. Close saved. Enchantments. Huh? Should already color it right. I should join it for \n. Wait, is 5 is not the color that I'm searching. I'm searching for 3, 4? 1. I'm searching for 1. This was for R and then 1. But I think it would be more efficient if we would do that instead. $39. That's fair. Life steal. Well, you see. Undefined. Let's get ourselves a new weapon first. Maybe this weapon is just bugged. Another texture. Again, I'll look at it afterwards I'm done. Oh, I see. It's a chest plate. But I'll save it. Anyways. I hate the color. And then of course we need some way to make the items foil. But that's not quite possible right now with the scripting API. Damn, it also looks off. What color does a pixel use? Just 5? No, it's just B? Do they just use B? Yes, yes. I know. How creative. Where did I reload? I was. What is the color of the lamps are blue? No, what? No, what is the color of? Is it 5? Not 5. It's like this desaturated. What color is the text that nature is in? Just 9? I don't believe it's 9. Wait, was it 9? I'm blind. Yeah, the parser is fucking shit, by the way. But we'll get there. Yep, that looks like it. It was 9. Right. Now, I don't know why it doesn't add the \n. Even though we literally join the \n to it. Okay. Lifesteal 2, alright. Alright, that is good. Now... Also, does someone know how to remove this category? Right now it's in the nature category for some reason. Alright, let's add another enchantment. The lifesteal 2 instead. The problem with that is that Roman numerals won't really work. What? Yeah, fucking powder system, I hate it. It's the category none. Alright. Interesting. Interesting errors. Ah yeah, because now it can't read the property split neck. I assume it's because this is returning undefined. But I wonder is, why is it return undefined? Console.warn x.split this. Guys, and when does x.split not return an array? You wanna tell me that this is not an array? I'm confused. It is an array with one element. Saying lifesteal. Is an array. It's almost like this thing never made its way through. It is an array. It is an array. I can see that it is an array. Then we gotta get a little bit creative. By just splitting, instead of splitting, we're just substring. 4 maybe. So our goal is that it should still stay. How? Oh, but X is even wrong. Yeah, so it's supposed to be just lifesteal. It's supposed to be lifesteal. So already this is wrong. Press extra. Why would that matter? I just don't see why that would matter. Just that this shit is not detecting or the thing. Oh wait, I deleted also the console log. Do you wanna tell me that it just straight up delete? No, okay. It is there. Lifesteal 2. Alright. Now we substring 2. What do we get? Okay. Now we'll add substring 4. Okay. We got the things. Then we just split at \n. Split new line. I already did that. It was what I had it before. That's why I'm using substring now. Alright. Then we're here now. So Lifesteal 2. Alright. There should still be another W character, right? X dot split. There should still be one, you see? We add them here, right? There should still be one left. There is one left. See? Those are 2 elements. Oh, let's have to filter where X is X. Okay, I guess that... it doesn't matter. Maybe the comma is just... See, okay, so... const name. Const level. Array 0. Level array 1 dot trim oops, and from that the number we set object name is equal to level. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I know why it doesn't work. Because there's more than 2 elements in it. This is lifesteal. For some fucked up reason. Maybe 6? Yes, I know why. Because the lore starts with the W, right? The lore already starts with the W. So you have to split 6. Oh, I guess we could split 4. Because this would work for 1, okay? Like... nan... That still says lifesteal then. Didn't say anything. Oh yeah. It has 2. Okay, this works. We need another enchantment. Need another enchantment though. Let's add a new enchantment. We'll just do this. Then placebo. And then we item. Why did my IntelliSense broke? Oh, I misspelled. We're back going. Alright. If you're needing. Wait, it just works just like that? And I cannot? Oh. What? Where did the 0 come from? What? Where did the 0 come from? Object. Null? I'm disappointed. Why does it say null? First one, perfect. Second one, null. Oh, it was because of my splitting issues. Ooh. Like if we do 4 and then just 1 and 2, then we're fine. Then we are fine. Let's try it like that. I mean, yeah, now it's no the thing is still there, but it works, guys. It works. Holy shit. Holy shit. Let's continue our journey. Yeah, the static parse thing. Nice. It is indeed nice. So all this thing I wanna have in the static parse and then just return to JSON object. Like this let object or const object, right? I wanna replace all this with this. Return object. And we have const object. Object is equal to this dot parse item. I don't even need the enchant. Actually, we do need the enchantment, but where the fuck do we add the enchantment? I feel so stupid right now. No, but like, where did we add the enchantment? Like the level. I just did object enchant. Oh, wrong thingies. Object.enchant.options.name. Did I accidentally delete this part? Alright, /reload. That is a good sign, honestly. It works! Good. Now I think I want to leave a space between see, there's already a space. But where's the space coming from? It's because of the new line. I don't think there is a way to make I mean, there is a way, but like it would be too how's it called? Too expensive in resources. This is the talisman handler. This is the weapon exporter. The weapon handler, yeah, because this, right? Theoretically, guys, just do that, and then our item would look way much better. Huh? Why is it only say that it deals 1 damage now? Am I like 1 reload behind? Alright. No, but like, why does it say it deals 1 damage? Because this is too long? Yeah, it is. Maybe we could just, whenever we add an enchantment, we'll just add a backslash in. That would be the easiest option. So now, wait, we can just... Would you look at that? And to get rid of the category, I was being told to... Why do you specify the category? That exists, I guess. I'll have to rejoin for this one. It's invalid, but it's valid because it does exactly what I want. Maybe is none the category that I'm searching for? Yep. The indentation looks a bit weird, but other than that, it's good. I don't want to risk it, but... Oh, items don't have any component groups, right? Because I want to make it a foil. Transform item? Transform? What does transform item do? So it just becomes that item? Is there no way of adding the foil to the item conditionally? Is there like a variant like Phew! Dye powder? Foil. What is dye powder? Ah. Well, that's not what I'm looking for. Why are items so restrictive? Modding. And there's no item foil component, right? Yeah. Apple? Ah, yes. Yep, Apple uses foil, by the way, guys. This is so sad. Item sort. Oh yeah. Fuel. I see, then you can smell it. Yeah, no, I don't think that there's any way of making it conditionally foiled. Except, of course, we create an exact copy of that item. But we aren't gonna do that. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna take a break and then yeah, finishing the custom enchantment system. We're gonna take a break. I'll see y'all in